How to log into Verizon Wireless account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Verizon login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Verizon.com, open it. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. So go ahead and type in your user ID or the Verizon mobile number. In the case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you type in, click on continue. Now go ahead and type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of remember user ID. After you provide all the details, click on sign in, and just with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into a Verizon Wireless account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.